Hi, this is Tim with Friendship RV. We have a 2022 Sandpiper C-Class fifth wheel 3440 BH. Let's take a look here. Got the Rhino box in the front, LED accent lights on the cap, got the Furrion side camera system prep on your turn signals and your entry door. Pass-through storage, power awning with LED light strip, second entrance door with solid entry steps into the bathroom area by the bunkhouse. So this is a 2-bedroom loft bunk area with a bath and a half. Fireplace, soundbar, big screen TV. These are some of the new colors. They're very cool. They're not white and they're not dark. They're kind of cool. You need to take a look. 3-burner cooktop range oven, residential refrigerator, lots of storage all over. And one of my favorite things of all the Sandpipers, self-closing cabinet doors. I have to put that in every time. Island sink area. This is our second bedroom slash bunk. Have a little bed down on the bottom. Lots of storage. Metal ladder. Goes up for a bunk room. Or storage, however you want. And here's our bath and a half right off the second bedroom area. Our master bath. Lots of storage here. This is Tim with Friendship RV. Thank you.